Alright guys, welcome back to a new episode of Suffer and Cypher's channel. So today, guess what? We found the new Jurassic World Rumble and Rampage DISTORTUS Rex. That's right. Just got like at Walmart, and we're gonna surprise Safrat and Cypher. Okay, they're still inside the house. They have no idea. They have zero idea. This is what they wanted. Okay, let's go check it out. Alright, so we're gonna give them a big surprise. Guys, guess what I found?
A Starter-Rex! My Starter-Rex! My Starter-Rex!
Yeah!
Let's go! What is the pink thing down?
I found it too. See, friend got it. Oh yeah. Let's go in the back and box it, yeah?
Let's go do it!
Alright. Alright, we're in the backyard now. Alright, I'm too excited.
We're happy and free.
And there you go. Moves. We get the real thing. Also, be careful on scammers like third-party sellers at Walmart or anything like that. They'll send you a fake DISTORTUS figure. Okay, so this is the real thing from Mattel itself. We're gonna check the back. Come on, Safrat. Alright. So we're supposed to do the Hammond Collection Spinosaurus today, but obviously we found this one, so we're gonna go for this one first. Then the next one should be the Ayani. And then, yeah, there you go. So we already have those, Spinosaurus and Mosasaurus. And yep. Slash attack, guys. We're gonna unbox it.
Yeah, let's go, buddy!
Okay, so we have the Lab Lockdown Tyrannosaurus here. And the Tail Trasher Spinosaurus, both all from Rebirth. Okay. Let's see, we're gonna compare it.
It's
All
so
right.
small.
So I think this is how the movie goes. This T-Rex right here is from the movie. We will compare to the Hammond Collection. Hold this up for it. See how. There's our Hammond Collection T-Rex. So we're gonna unbox it now. Alright, Safra, do you wanna do it? The honors? Alright, be careful, it's a blade. Safra, careful not, I'll do it, you might damage it. See? You're doing it wrong.
So,
There. Uh-oh. Since it's a big figure.
yeah, and the bottom needs to go up.
Yes. It's the foot. Uh-oh, it's stuck underneath. Okay, I got it out. Wait, Safarat. Okay, let's fix this.
Let's go
Get it out. Let's move the box, the packaging here.
Right here.
Okay. So we'll start. Hang on. There. Let's check out the face first. It's got a big front head, nice teeth. It does look like a xenomorph from the Aliens, or a Rancor from the Star Wars thing. I'm not a big fan of Star Wars, but it does look like that monster over there. So the sad part is the knuckles. There's no articulation in knuckles. See, it looks totally different, left to right. Now the T-Rex arms here are loose. I think that's how they made it. They're just hanging there.
Yeah, someone can do it.
And there's the DNA scan for you guys.
Yeah, way crazier.
There's an on and off button now. See, you push that.
Make it off.
See, it doesn't. Oh, it does work. It still works. So maybe you put in the middle. There, it doesn't work. So that's pretty cool. You can turn it off. You push this button right here. It jumps down. Yeah. If you move the tail left to right, it starts slashing, swinging. There you go. See. Yeah. You can actually you can pull it up and down. It doesn't work. So you can swing it. That's pretty much it.
Don't broke it.
Let's turn it on again. There we go. It starts shaking. Turn it on. Let's go to the other side.
Let me press the button.
So I believe there's like two more variants of this. The one comes with a boat and the remote control Jeep, something like that.
And the car too.
And I believe it lights up. The eyes lights up. The one with the boat doesn't have a sound. Yeah. So we're gonna find two more DISTORTUS. So looks like they didn't even paint the claws here. The front claws wasn't painted.
Only here, right here.
So there is no dew claws on this guy.
And
Nothing.
This is one too. And the T-Rex arm.
Yeah. The white arms are not painted as well. All right. So yeah, there you have it for the day. Our DISTORTUS Rex. We should give this a unique status right here. Uh-oh, careful. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, let's check out the Lab Lockdown Tyrannosaurus.
Sorry, guys.
See, from the movie. Now we'll try the Spinosaurus tail trasher. Can't wait for the movie to come out.
Don't be. Is this here? Don't be white.
We have our Hammond Collection Tyrannosaurus here. Looks like the Hammond Collection is still bigger. Ugh. Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much. Have a good weekend.